So today is a bittersweet day. It's a day that we finally say goodbye. If you guys have been watching the channel, you already know which car I'm talking about. It is definitely not the G80 M3. It is this right over here, my 2017 BMW 330i. One of the most pivotal cars, I think, on my channel. Obviously right now it's all stock. It looks completely basic, but at some point, guys, this thing was honestly one of my best looking cars, I think. I converted it to an M Sport. I put some beautiful Apex Arc 8 wheels and Hyper Silver, which looks so good against the black. And also, for those of you who don't know, this thing, even as a base 330i, has a beautiful red interior. Speaking of the interior, you guys can see I gave it all a nice detail. It looks so good. Also don't have the car seats inside. But yeah, anyways, guys, it is official. The car is sold. My plates are off. The new owner is coming by literally in like 15 minutes to pick it up. I'm probably not gonna film that just because, you know, I don't just like to stick a camera in someone's face, but yeah, we're saying goodbye to it today. Today's video is not really gonna be focusing on the F30 and the sale of it. It's really gonna be focusing on the next chapter because right now, guys, I'm a little limited on what I can do on my channel. Excuse me as I'm a little lazy over here and I take a seat. One of the last times I'll be in this F30. But yeah, like right now, all I have on the channel is the M3 and the X5. The X5, there's really not too much to do to it. I do have some mods coming for it, so we will do some stuff. But there's really just not that much. So all I have is really the M3, and the M3, I'm almost done with the build. So you guys know me, my videos primarily focus on modding the cars. I have other videos and vlogs and stuff like that, but my main thing is modding the cars. It's what I enjoy the most, and it's what I want to continue to do. So in order for me to do that, I need another car. However, it's not that simple. Now, I'll explain all of that, but before I do, I just want to take a moment and thank the video sponsor. That's right, you guys guessed them. Simply Carbon Fiber. So if you guys don't know Simply Carbon, they make a whole bunch of cool carbon fiber accessories. I rock a few of them. One of the main ones I use all the time is my Simply Carbon Slim Wallet. This thing's made out of real carbon. It has a whole bunch of cool features. It has a money clip right up here on the back. And yes, guys, that's only a couple $1 bills. Your boy is broke, don't judge me. It also holds up to 7 cards right over here in the middle. And of course, guys, it looks absolutely stunning. This I've literally had, I think, for like almost 2 years now, and it still looks good. Again, it's that real carbon fiber. And then something else they released recently that I've been rocking is their Forged Carbon phone case. This thing looks absolutely beautiful, guys. Again, it is real carbon fiber. You can tell it has that like red flake in it. Right now we are in the shade, but man, in the sun, this thing looks so good. And of course, it comes in a whole bunch of colors. But anyways, with that said, let's get on to the main topic of today's video. So as you guys saw, the F30 is officially gone. The new owner took it, they drove away with it. Now, it's been a few days since I filmed that last clip, but now with that car gone, we have a lot to talk about. By the way, guys, really quickly, the G80 has a whole bunch of cool mods. I'm not gonna tell you guys what this is yet, but just stay tuned. I also have something else right over there. So the G80 build is not stopping. But anyways, with the F30 gone, we have a lot to figure out because you guys know I wanted to get another car and basically get something else on the channel because as much as I love the G80 M3, there's only so much I can do to it. There's only so many videos I can make about it. So having multiple cars on the channel honestly helps me a lot. It helps me grow my channel a little more. It brings in a broader audience, so it's not just people who like the G80 or have a G80, it's also people who like an F30 or, you know, relate to those cars, or even relates to something like my X5 over there, which we are gonna start modding a little more, especially now that the F30's gone. So I have a lot to figure out. Like, am I gonna get another car? What car am I gonna get? Or am I just gonna stick with these two cars, the M3 and the X5, because these two cars honestly make a great combo. But anyway, speaking of the M3, let's get a cold start. It was so loud, it set off the alarm on the X5. It's never done that before. Was not expecting that. That was funny. Yeah, it's never done that before, guys. But yeah, anyways, we have a lot to figure out. What am I gonna do next? What would you guys like to see? there's a lot of options. Again, now that the F30's gone, the door has opened up. Obviously, I didn't want to reach the point where I owned 4 cars because I think that would have been like way too excessive. I think 3 is my limit, like that's my max. So with the F30 gone, again, the slot is open, but do I even want to fill it? So like I was kind of saying, a new car would help me grow the channel, but do I really want to keep on trying to grow this channel? Because right now, guys, I'm kind of chilling with 2 cars. Like, I'm not rich. You know, having 3 cars is definitely a burden. Now, obviously for me, I run this like a business. So, you know, there are tax advantages and these cars make me money, all that type of stuff. But right now, the M3 is doing great for me. The X5 is a great family car. It's a practical, high up SUV with a 3rd row. I absolutely love it. So right now I'm kind of chilling. Like, I'm only paying insurance on 2 cars. Oof. Sorry, I hit the mic there a little bit. Yeah, guys, these new wheels, by the way, and these new tires absolutely changed the driving experience of this car. The car just handles so much better. The other tires, like, they weren't horrible, but these Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's, they're just next level. Anyways, guys, what do? I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't have a clear answer. It's probably gonna be a little while until I figure it out. Because like I said, do I really want to keep on pushing this YouTube channel? It's a small channel. You guys know, like, I don't get views like that. Like, this video is gonna barely get views. My next video probably will get barely any views. And so, like, is it really worth it? I don't know. Or do I keep on just going crazy and get more cars, keep on trying to grow the channel? Because, you know, all these compounding videos, it does help me in the end. Some of the cars that I'm thinking about getting next is a G20 330i, which I think a lot of you guys will like. Potentially a Supra, which I'm not actually sure how many of you would like that car, but I personally would love it. Still a dream car of mine. Something else I can probably get is like a M340i, which would be, I don't know if I really want to get an M340i. Believe it or not, I'd rather actually get a 330. I feel like so many people had an M340 and already went crazy with those cars, so nothing I can really add there. Whereas again, in a 330, we're gonna put this thing in M1 mode, by the way. I've been driving it in comfort. Definitely makes a difference. Anyways, I'd rather get a 330i. Or what I could do is just not get any car at all. Maybe just chill out a little bit, finish the M3, start working on the X5 a little more, wait until the car market potentially goes down a little more. Point is, guys, there's a lot to figure out, and it's not gonna be something I'm gonna figure out by the end of this video. Right now, to be honest with you guys, I've just been enjoying the M3, focusing on this car. I mean, this car has come such a long way. If you guys remember it when I first got it, now it looks so freaking good. Lowered wheels, I mean, all the carbon stuff. Shout out to Keys Motorsports. We have a proper exhaust setup on it, and we have some more mods sitting in the trunk right now, which I'm gonna install either later today or tomorrow. So stay tuned for a future video. You guys will see what that's about. I'll give you a little hint for now. Let's just put it this way. That's the only hint I'm giving. That's it. I mean, that pretty much gives it away. But anyways, we have a lot coming for the M3, and I've been really enjoying just focusing on this car. So maybe I just keep on focusing on it. Like I said, I don't have a lot of stuff left to do to it, so we are gonna be done with it relatively soon. And then after that, it's like, you know, what do I do next for myself, and then also for the channel, because this channel is mainly about like working on these cars and modifying them. I don't really go to car shows. I feel like those videos don't do too well. I don't really do vlogs or, you know, drives and stuff like that. I do sometimes, but again, those I feel like just don't do all that well. It seems like the videos you guys are most interested about is just modifying the cars, DIYs, maybe like videos just talking and giving advice about these cars. So I'm gonna try to stick with that. I'll still throw in like the random vlogs here and there, but you know, I'll try to keep it mainly on the stuff that I think you guys like. Don't judge me, guys. I stepped outside just to kind of give a change of scenery for this video, but it is like blazing hot. So I'm gonna come back inside where it's nice and cool. But anyways, point is, guys, I have a lot to figure out. We're gonna see how things go. If you guys have any suggestions or, you know, things like that, drop them down in the comments below. But yeah, a lot to think about. But anyways, I'm gonna wrap up this video here. So with that said, this video is pretty much done, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.